When floor space is limited, the smartest move is going vertical. A plant wall turns a plain fence into a lush feature while keeping the ground open. Mix shelves, hanging pots, and trailing plants to create layers. Just avoid packing plants too tightly so the wall still feels light and breathable. Corners are often wasted in small yards, but they can become powerful garden features. Layer plants at different heights using a tall plant, mid-level flowers, and ground cover. This simple triangle layout adds depth and instantly makes a compact garden feel fuller. Furniture can double as garden space. A bench with built-in planters adds seating while holding flowers or herbs. This idea works especially well in narrow patios because it combines two functions without adding clutter. When ground space disappears, the ceiling becomes your garden. Hanging baskets add color without using valuable floor area. Mixing heights and plant types creates movement and visual layers that make even the smallest patio feel lush. Raised planters help organize a small garden by stacking plants at different heights. Instead of one flat garden bed, layered planters create depth and make the space feel larger and more designed. a small garden can still include a water feature. Compact fountains or ceramic bowl ponds add movement and sound while taking very little space. They also create a relaxing focal point. A simple outdoor table can double as a garden feature. Add a planter centerpiece or built-in herb box so the table becomes both decor and function. Small spaces benefit most from furniture that serves multiple purposes. Even the narrowest garden path can become a design feature. Slim planting strips with low flowers, herbs, or decorative grasses add softness while guiding the eye through the space. The result feels structured but still natural.
Take a moment to imagine which of these small garden ideas could transform your own outdoor space. If you enjoyed these inspirations, tap the like button